Prova, prova.
Hello guys, this is a review for the Blemil baby camera and monitor. I'm actually quite pleasantly surprised by how well made it is and all the features it has. Let me just go with the overview of the actual device. So you get the camera itself here, and this is does rotate, I think, believe 360, which is very useful and handy to see around. It also has a speaker and a microphone, so it you can hear the baby when it wakes up or if it calls out. Also, you could speak to the baby, and it has a feature which is pretty cool, which has you can play music. You can control this all from this monitor there, and you've got the pair button there, and then you've got the DC power connector, which is a bit disappointing. I was really hoping that, you know, this day and age we'll move away from these sort of connectors and start using USB type C, like many other devices have. And the monitor itself is this is it, pretty good size. The screen is quite nice and bright. I'll show you it in a moment when I turn on the camera, but that's the antenna. And you got a little stand for it, and then you got the power button there, and that's the speaker. The microphone is just down here for you guys. Also, this is DC connector as well. At the moment you can't find the camera, but if we plug it in, you will see, and we'll turn off the light later just to turn off the volume, because obviously it being in the same room is going to start to echo. You can turn the brightness up and down, and then you could move the cameras up, as you see me now. It's actually, now it's in normal mode, and then it does switch to night vision when it gets dark. If I go into the menu, so you got the camera there, you can turn it off. And if you press pair. There we go, it's connect again. Go back to it. It even has the temperatures and how you want to set it. You can set sort of an alarm when it gets to a certain temperature. It will send you an alarm. This is the music it plays. So this is playing from the camera. So you go up to 8 different lullabies, and then you got the eco mode. You got the timer, the feeding, so it can set you an alarm, it can wake you up, so you can go and feed the baby. And then you got the languages. Obviously I'm going to be using the UK, and that's pretty much it. Now if we turn off the light and go back, we'll see how good it is. The camera is better in from a distance. And if we turn off the light, so you full control the camera, and you can also zoom in, which is there. You could add cameras. Oh, we could add additional cameras if you wanted to, which is what I was doing before, which, okay. And to go to zoom in, you need to press on the actual button. And that's very much the whole camera setup. Like I said, it's pretty good. It's not the best in quality camera, but you can see enough. You can see the outline, you can see the details, small details as well, but like I said, it's not like 1080p or high resolution, just standard camera. But in terms of features, it's really nice, really well made. That's in night mode. What you see there, the flashing, is actually the infrared for the night vision.